So today I'm going to show you how we transferred our existing hive that we found in a tree into our new hive, and then how we were able to get that set up so that it will be able to be serviced going into the future. If you want to try to catch an existing swarm, you can build what are called a swarm trap, and I'll be showing you how we built one of those here in another video. Also, that's available on horizontalhive.com. But what I'm going to be showing you today is that we actually found a hive that was in an existing tree. The tree was going to be cut down, and so there was not going to be a method of trying to get the hive to build their new hive into a swarm trap, as well as the problem that it was in the winter time. And so this is a method that we used to be able to take the hive, to put it into our existing hive, and then to be able to try to put that in such a way that it will be able to be used and serviced into the future. So when we initially took the hives out of the tree, as I mentioned, it was winter, and so we had to just put the hive combs into the bee house here, and we didn't have the ability to organize them in a very easy way. So you can see here, we basically just took the honeycomb and we kind of sandwiched it in between two of the frames. Now this wouldn't be able to be left this way long term, because the bees would build these frames closed and you would not be able to pull them out and service them going into the future, check on the hives and make sure everything was doing okay. So what we decided to do was take the existing honeycomb that was there, and we took it, put it inside of the frames, and then we wrapped some wire around the frame so that it would hold the honeycomb in place, and then eventually the bees will fill in those empty gaps. This way the honeycomb will be attached directly to the frame, and then it can be looked at coming into the future. The one thing that we were very excited about is that when we captured the hive, we were able to find the queen. And this is very important for the ongoing of the hive. If the queen is not there or dies, then there will be no new bees to take their place when these bees would pass on, and no one to lay new eggs. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, consider subscribing to our channel. I'll have more videos like this coming up in the future, as well as other content that's similar to what we've done before. So consider giving this a thumbs up if you liked it, and consider subscribing to our channel. Click that bell if you want to be notified when we have our future videos coming out, and we'll see you again on the next one.